Hello my dear children, happy to meet you all through my next video. Today we are going to see Unit 2 Rose, Hobby Turns into a Successful Career. This lesson is about hobby. What is meant by hobby? It is an activity or interest pursued for pleasure or relaxation such as painting, drawing, coloring, collecting stamps, playing some sport, etc. Here, this lesson is divided into 3 sections and spoken in detail about hobby and how hobby has turned into a successful career. Section 1 speaks about a boy named Mani whose hobby is writing. Section 2 is about an young talented artist called Ajay Kumar Garg who developed his skill and made it his career. Section 3 is about a devoted carom player named Ilavalagi who won championship and won World Cup through her hobby. Let us see the content of section 1. Once there was a boy named Mani who was studying at the school in village. He had difficulty in reading and writing. This was noticed by his grandfather and helped him by reading bedtime stories. Slowly, Mani started reading on his own. Apart from reading stories, he also started writing his own stories. He has written an essay on hobby. And hobbies are the activities that we do in our free time. It is unique. It differs from person to person like gardening, photography, reading books, swimming, collecting stamps, playing video games and many more. People have hobbies not only to pass their free time, but it helps people to learn new things, relax themselves after their heavy work and to energize their body. It is the same in the case of Mani too. He says he loves writing and so it is his hobby. There is a small box given in the book for you. What does it say? Warren Buffett states, whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. Now, the continuation of the essay again. Mani extends in his essay, writing is unique, writing is tough, but according to him, it is not so. He looks writing as painting his voice. Yes, he says writing is painting our voice. So, whenever he gets free time, he writes. That is, he paints his ideas through words. He writes stories, poems, and sometimes about his own feelings. He says, when I write, I pour my thoughts and I get relaxed myself, so writing energizes me. Added to it, Mani also rejoices when I write. My imagination is at its best. He explains, he imagined a world with magic and magicians where he can fly and birds can talk. It gives him immense pleasure, which means ultimate happiness. Whenever he gets chance, he will also narrate his story to the small children and get happiness in it. Thus, his hobby not only gives him happiness but also helped him at school. His new ideas made him a good writer. Mani concludes his essay saying, to become a better writer, he spends time on learning how to write in different forms like fiction and non-fiction. He says, it is also important to always learn and improve our hobbies. He believes that one day he will definitely become a writer like R.K. Narayan. Now, section 2. As I told you earlier, this section is about an young artist. Ajay Kumar Garg is a talented artist who lived in Jaipur, India. His childhood was going on well until he suffered an injury at the age of 3. Though he was treated well, he was left permanently deaf in spite of his parents trying many hospitals. One day, Ajay Kumar's father bought him a paint set. He got excited and started painting on walls, floors, etc. He felt very happy. Ajay's father understood his talent in painting. When Ajay Kumar was 5 years old, a court artist of Dholpur, Rajasthan district, named Sri Swarlal saw his painting and got impressed with his work and took him along with him. After completing his education, Ajay Kumar tried tailoring, but it did not make him happy. So he started painting again. He became an apprentice of Asha Devi. Do you know what is called as an apprentice? Working under a person to learn a work without pay or a lesser salary. So what happened here? Ajay Kumar Garg became an apprentice of Asha Devi, who was a popular painter. She taught him dyeing techniques of traditional Indian miniature painting. He was talented in preparing different colors and brushes and gained knowledge of the painting. Soon, he excelled himself in miniature style. What is miniature? A small copy of something, especially of a building or a sculpture. Ajay Kumar Garg also created images on a grain of rice. In page number 39, his excellence was described. Let me read it for you. Ajay exhibited his work and sold 144 out of 150 paintings displayed. He continued to show his work throughout India, the United States, and the United Kingdom. In 2004, Ajay was awarded a National Award of Accomplishment from the Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Other activities of artist Ajay Kumar Garg are: he actively involved in the welfare of people with hearing impairment in India. He has been the executive member of the Deaf and Dumb Association in Rajasthan. He gives free training to hearing impaired children in Jaipur and to the children in the orphanage in Gandhinagar, Jaipur. And his current goal is to flourish the dyeing art of traditional miniature Indian paintings. So, in this section too, we can understand how a hobby turns into a successful career. The displayed pictures are some of the paintings of Ajay Kumar Garg. We can move on to section 3. This section tells us about Ilavalagi, a carom champion, who chases her dreams of converting her dream into achievement. Ilavalagi is the daughter of Mr. A. Irudayaraj, a district level champion in carom. His family did not. He decided to achieve his goal through his daughter. From her age of 2, he used to carry her to the tournaments and played with his friends at the local clubs. Then her father began to coach her when she was around 5 years old. One day, her father called her for a match and she won. Then she won Asia Cup and South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation and World Championship. Mr. Irudayaraj, father of Ilavalagi, is a fish cart driver. He transfers materials like pipes and earn money to look after his wife and 3 children. He lived in a one-roomed house at Vyasarpadi, Chennai, which is not enough for them to live in. In fact, the house is so small that the trophies won by Ilavalagi were arranged in the space under the bed, and the remainings were kept in their relatives and neighbors' house. They are also offered trips for the tournaments. The achievements of Ilavalagi are: 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France, Women's Singles title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championships in Visakhapatnam 2009, Women's Singles title in the 37th National Carom Championship in Chennai 2008, 13th SARC Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009, the 2-time SARC Carom Championship Women's Singles title in 2009, World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was the 2010 championship in the US, where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver, and 12 are bronze medals won in national competitions. She has won 111 gold, 9 silver, and 5 bronze medals in the international tournaments. Her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion.